The lower guard shim is a bushing that is installed between the lower blade guard and the hub. The plastic shim allows the guard to pivot freely and prevents wear to the guard and hub. Over time, the shim will wear and eventually fail. Replacing the lower guard shim is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade cover. Next, I'll remove the inner blade guard. Next, I'll remove the blade. And the inner blade flange. Now remove the lower guard. The guard's secured with a large retaining ring. With the guard removed, now I can remove the guard spring. Now I can remove the old lower guard shim and install the new one. There's a flange on the shim. That flange should go towards the inside of the saw. I'll thread the guard spring through the guard so that the large bell end is near the hub. I'll place the guard back over the hub and reinstall the spring into the housing. And now I can secure the guard with the retaining ring. Next, I'll reinstall the inner blade guard. And now I'll reinstall the blade. First the inner blade flange, then the blade, the outer flange, and the blade screw. And that's all it takes to replace the lower guard shim on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.